Kirit Bikram Institution by Luajijak Maharaja Kirit Bikram Manikoni 88 birth anniversary noti je pandani achuk pan kono pidanu khulumuya paru hambaya paru Kirit Bikram Institution ni joto adong logno hambaya paruan chini boromrang MDC Machang Dhirendra Devarman Dholai Zonal Development Committee ni Chairperson Takuk Koritur Devarma Chini Monu Subzonal ni Chairman Chini Hidrodin ni Jatiyotawadi Andolon ni Khoroksa Soinik Machang Rotis Tripura Orotsangai Tongo Juda Juda Mothani Adongrok Village Chairman Jek Jota Phainai Takuk Bukuk the students of no Hambaya Parean Kabang Kok Saglak. My job was to inaugurate the program. I have already inaugurated the program and I am happy to be part of this auspicious occasion. Tini mo program ni sekando Maharaja Kirit Bikram ni asaima salno rugai ADC administration bo blanket distribution ni kabanga panda chungo nahar laika. And part of that program, Dholai Zonal Officer, 200 families have been already distributed blankets. Chini Zonal Chairman, Vice Chairman Rok, Tang Phang Rok, Kabangma Borok, Aro present Tongway, our programs and Pai Khai. Tini Oro Pai Nukha, Cherai, Chigon Rock. They have welcomed me saying, sir,